Our moon is Earth's closest neighbor and Earth's only natural satellite. It looms larger than any object in the night sky. Its surface may be cold and lifeless, but inside is a ball of white-hot iron. Birth of the moon. Scientists think the moon formed because of a collision between Earth and a Mars-sized planet 4.5 billion years ago. The debris was pulled together by gravity and became the moon. Interesting facts about the moon. 1. The moon has a graveyard. Yes, you heard it right. A graveyard consisting space junk, like abandoned satellites, spent rockets, cameras, backpacks, and even golf balls. 2. Our moon is disappearing. The moon will be 14,600 miles farther away than it is right now in just 500 million years because the moon's orbit advances away from the Earth by around 4 inches annually. 3. There are new footprints on the moon's surface. These footprints are different to the ones of astronauts. Perhaps it could be the aliens living on the moon. 4. A full moon might keep you awake. A tiny study from the University of Basel in Switzerland found that people watched on the night closest to a full moon had less deep sleep, produced less melatonin, and needed 5 minutes longer to fall asleep. 5. Darker shadows can be found on the moon than on Earth. Astronauts observed their shadows were significantly darker on the moon than they were on Earth right away. On the moon, there is no atmosphere to cast shadows like there is on Earth. 6. The moon experiences moonquakes. This is because it has tectonic plates that are moving just like our Earth. 7. The moon has its own time zone. Despite its name, Lunar Standard Time, it does not simply equate to a time on Earth. On the moon, time is very different from time on Earth. A year is divided into 12 days, each roughly equal to an Earth month. Is our moon habitable? Could the moon have once supported life in the past? It's unlikely that the first location that comes to mind while looking for life elsewhere is our airless, largely dry moon. Today, life as we know it cannot exist on its radiation-damaged surface. The moon also lacks both oxygen and liquid water. 1 billion years after its formation, the moon may have been habitable because there may have been liquid water pools on its surface. Early terrestrial life might have flourished on the moon if the lunar surface had been habitable if it had been transported there by meteorite impacts. Given the distance between the two planets, simulations indicate that lithopanspermia, the transmission of microbes from Earth to Mars via meteorites, was just about plausible. So what's the answer to this question? It is a yes and a no. It is not impossible for our moon to support life, but it can take time.